The View at BlueStone, located in Duluth, Minnesota, features 193 luxury, pet-friendly apartment homes with studio, 1, 2, and 3-bedroom floor plans. The apartment home features oversized windows, expansive ceilings, custom cabinets, in-home laundry, and more. Residents of The View at BlueStone can enjoy a host of amenities, including a year-round indoor swimming pool, large hot tub, steam rooms, fitness areas, co-working space, large outdoor lawn terrace, underground heated parking, and a 5th-floor clubroom for entertaining and events. Taracon Precast produced the precast concrete pieces used to construct the podium for the structure. The precast concrete podium consists of 1 level of underground parking and the 1st floor of residences. 4 additional wood-framed levels of residential apartments sit atop the precast concrete podium. The precast concrete podium utilizes 87 precast concrete columns, 161 beams, and 84,648 square feet of solid slabs and hollow core plank. The pool that sits in the center of the residential podium level is framed by spandrel beams. The exterior of the building utilizes a mixture of masonry brick and several different types of siding. Given Duluth's extreme winter weather, precast concrete was the perfect building material to work with for the scheduled winter construction. Precast offers rapid on-site installation and cost-effectiveness even in frigid weather. It also provides an immediate barrier to the elements, which allows progress to continue on interior construction even in extreme cold weather. See more precast concrete projects at pcimidwest.org.